Okay, on the second power series solution, we have y plus y double prime is equals to 0 to prove that it is equals to co cosine x plus c1 sine x. So first we're going to substitute again this power series of y, which is in this form, plus y double prime, which is also in this form. To 0. So as we can see, they are not equal again. So we're going to make it equal with subtracting 2 here and adding 2 with n terms on the upper side. To make both terms equal. So we can have again this term. They are now equal, so we can factor this one out. Also the x raised to n, and come up with this. Equals to 0. Then evaluate it again so that we can use this on our recursion relation. Then we're going to have values of n again starts with 0 because our power series starts with 0, so we're going to use n equals to 0 too. So it goes like this: 2 times 1, also this, as you can see, we have values of C2 on our recursion relation. So